It's me, Bree Reads!
Hi friends, it's me, Bree. Today, let's draw a dinosaur together, like this. For this project, you'll need paper, a pencil to draw with, a black marker or pen to outline, and colors. I'm using my favorite beeswax crayons. I'll put a link in the description if you'd like your own. And if you'd like a printable coloring page version, that link is in the description too. Now friends, we're starting with our pencil. Put your hand in the center of the paper. Do you see where my pinky is? Right here on this side, we'll start with a U shape. Letter U. Except this U is turned. Do you see? There's our curved line. It looks a bit like a letter C, too. Now at the top of the U, we'll extend down and stop. At the bottom of that line, we'll go down again. Down, curve, and stop. These 2 points should be lined up. Now we're going to draw the dinosaur's back. Let's make a curve and leave some space for the spikes on top, about this high. Let's curve like a hill. It looks like a rainbow shape. And stop. Now down here, we're going to make the first front leg. Go down, over, and up. It's a rectangle shape, except it's open on the top. Now for the belly, curve, just slightly. Here's the back leg, the same shape, down, over, and up. And leave this part open. That's where the tail will go. It's going to wrap around the leg like this. From here, scoop down, around, right at the bottom of the page. Now close that shape, like this. Next, we're going to draw the back legs with a slanted line and over. Touch to meet the front. Here, another slanted line, over and touch. Now, let's draw the spikes. We'll make triangle shapes. Up and down. Up and down. Up, down. Up, down. Up and down. I made 5 spikes. You can make as many as you'd like. Now on the belly, draw from here a curved line to the other side. Now let's draw some straight lines on the belly, going down. Zip, 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 and zip. Next, we're going to add some spots. I'm drawing an oval shape. 1 big oval, 2 bigger ovals. Now some smaller ones. 1, 2, 3. Next, let's make some toes for the feet. Our dinosaur doesn't really have claws, but we'll make some boing boing shapes for the feet. 3 in the front, 2 in the back. Again. Boing, boing, boing. 3 in front and boing, boing. 2 in the back. Last but not least, our dino needs a face. Let's curve up for a smile. And then a dot for the eye. Ta-da! Now you're ready to outline. I'm using a big black marker. Use whatever you have handy, or you might choose to skip this step. Using a black outline marker really makes our drawing pop off the page. It makes it look just like a coloring book. Now, I'm going back and erasing some of my pencil lines that showed through. You don't have to do this. It's optional. When you color, it'll most likely cover it anyways. And now, we're ready for color. Let's start with the big body of the dinosaur. Choose whatever color you like. I'm using grass green, and since I use my crayons a whole lot, I need to peel some paper back to use it. Start wherever feels comfortable. I make small lines over and over until the whole thing is filled up. What color will your dino be? Green like mine? Purple? Red? Yellow? Orange? Blue? Gray? Rainbow? Or maybe some other pattern? Use your creativity to create your very own dinosaur. Now, let's color the spikes. I'm choosing purple. My purple crayon had to be repaired with a piece of tape. It broke before. Use whatever you have. Maybe you want to make your spikes different colors or patterns. For me, I'm using solid purple. I start by outlining the triangle spike shape. I go around the edge and then I fill it in. Use whatever technique feels right for you. And now for the spots. I'm using orange. What color or colors will you use? When I color a circle or oval shape, I move my hand in a circle or oval. And now, let's color the belly underneath the dinosaur. I'm using a lighter orange color. This one's called yellow orange. And instead of pressing harder, I'm pressing softer. It creates a lighter color. Lastly, I'm going to color the toes. This time, I'm using yellow. Great job, my friends! All finished and looking good.
Thank you for drawing with me today. Friends, I want to see your dinosaur. You can find and tag me on Instagram to show me. And please subscribe to my channel for more books and more fun. See you next time. Bye-bye.